Your question is, in case the deputy speaker is presiding the Lok Sabha, he has right to. Your options are A. Take part in its deliberations. B. Vote on any proposition before the House as a member. C. Vote in the event of equality of votes. Or D. No right to preside a joint sitting of the House of the Parliament in case the speaker is absent. Right answer is C. Vote in the event of equality of votes. Your question is, the Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct control of the. Your options are A. Union Home Ministry, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. Prime Minister, or D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Right answer is D. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. Your question is, who among the following was the first tribal speaker of Lok Sabha? Your options are A. G.V. Mavlankar, B. G.M.C. Joshi, C. Manohar Joshi, or D. P.A. Sangama. Right answer is D. P.A. Sangama. Your question is, which of the following is not true a statement about the Attorney General of India? Your options are A. He is not a member of the cabinet. B. He has the right to speak in the House of the Parliament. C. He has a right to vote in the Parliament. Or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. He has a right to vote in the Parliament. Your question is, the Lok Sabha Secretariat comes under the direct supervision of. Your options are A. Ministry of Home Affairs, B. Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, C. President of India, or D. Lok Sabha Speaker. Right answer is D. Lok Sabha Speaker. Your question is, the Attorney General of India is appointed by. Your options are A. The Law Minister, B. The President of India, C. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha, D. The Prime Minister, or E. None of the above or more than one of the above. Right answer is B. The President of India. Your question is, which of the following are exclusive parts of Lok Sabha in comparison to the Rajya Sabha? 1. A money or finance bill can be introduced only in the House of the People. 2. Regarding the rejection or amendment of money bill. 3. The accountability of Council of Ministers. 4. Concerning the creation of one or more All India services. Select the correct answer from the code given below. Codes. Your options are A 1 2 3 4, B 1 2 3, C 1 3 4, or D 2 3 4. Right answer is B 1 2 3. 1. A money or finance bill can be introduced only in the House of the People. 2. Regarding the rejection or amendment of money bill. 3. The accountability of Council of Ministers. Your question is, at which of the following stages general discussion on a bill takes place in the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. During introduction of the bill, B. During second reading, C. During report stage, or D. During third reading. Right answer is B. During second reading. Your question is, which of the following is not correct? 1. Each money bill is finance bill. 2. Each finance bill is not a money bill. 3. Finance bill can be introduced in Lok Sabha only. 4. Finance bill is presiding by the president. 5. Rajya Sabha can detain the finance bill for 14 days. 6. President cannot refuse to sign on finance bill. 7. Rajya Sabha can amend the finance bill. 8. On deadlock on finance bill, joint session can be called. Your options are A 2 4, B 5 6, C 3 7, D 1 8, or E 4 6. Right answer is B 5 and 6. Rajya Sabha can detain the finance bill for 14 days and President cannot refuse to sign on finance bill. Your question is, the money bill is defined in which article of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Article 109, B. Article 110, C. Article 111, or D. Article 112. Right answer is B. Article 110.